Okay, we're just going to do a simple exercise here, and we're going to match up some of these continents. So on the top right here, on the Gleasons map, this would be South America here. And South America on the left, on the moon map, would be there. And then we can move down to Central America. Okay, that would be there. And we keep going down to Mexico. Would be there. North America. This one. Canada. There. Greenland. There. And Alaska is just this one here. And that would be, if we can just fit it in, just there. So that is 7 distinguishable features on the Gleasons map, and you could carry on. You could add Australia. In fact, if we do that, so you could add Australia there, and you could add New Zealand here. You could add the UK. The UK is about there. And that's how it works on the Gleasons map. You can match them all up. There's the UK here. See? Number 10 is the UK. Australia, number 8. There. New Zealand to the right, number 9. I think this one down here is that one, Madagascar. Let's just put Madagascar in there. Which should be down there. Okay. Now what I find interesting is that this should be quite acceptable. There's no reason really to sort of argue with that. And I say that because this is Galileo's drawings here. Galileo looked at the moon, that's what he saw. And yet that is in all the universities. It's all accepted in the world of astronomy that that's acceptable. So if that's acceptable, then surely that is acceptable. But as you can see the Gleasons map. I mean, we could really go through all these. So what would you have here? You'd have, okay, so that would be China. So you'd have China. Yeah, you'd have China there, number 12, that would be, wouldn't it? You'd have Mongolia in the middle, 13. That would be Russia, 14. This would be Africa, 15. And yeah. Okay, so that would be Madagascar. Over here would be the Sahara Desert. Which would be there. I mean, that's just a quick sort of scan over, but you could really get into the detail of this. So when we say that the Gleasons map is on the moon, it really is. You know, there's no way you're going to get 1 to 16 in that order with the Gleasons map. You know, that whole lot is distinguishable, discernible. The only argument that the Globers would have, oh, it's not the same shape. You know, Australia is a little bit longer on the Gleasons than it is on the moon. Doesn't matter, really doesn't matter, because you're looking at projections. So the very fact you can go to 1 to 16, you could probably go 1 to about 30. What are the chances of that? So I think it's fair to say, really, that the Gleasons map really is God's map. You look at the moon, and it's almost as if God's saying, that's the map that I approve of. So Globers, I hope you enjoyed that and found it interesting.